everyone, I'm Sophie and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to my awesome birthday present, my Vitus Energie 24 in this vibrant orange fade. Picture this, a frame so sleek it makes James Bond, Aston Martin jealous. Aluminium, external cable routing, flat mount, brake calipers and a paint job so vibrant it's basically a disco ball of wheels. Up front we've got the stock Vitus bar and stem. The bar measures 340mm in width with a reach of 65mm and a drop of 100mm. Quite a shift from my usual mountain bike setup, while the 40mm stem just feels like home. Now let's talk power. It's equipped with a 1x drive train mostly from microshift, the R8 shifters and brake levers, along with the R9 rear mic. Perfect for my little hands. Plus, I've swapped the stock cassette for an 11 to 36 for smoother climbs and upgraded the crankset to a 128mm AliExpress kids crank. When it comes to stopping, trust me, I got it covered. Electromechanical discs because safety first and second and third. You get the idea. And with rotors so big, I could possibly land a helicopter on them. While I find the stock saddle comfy enough, I've swapped out the seat post for a lightweight carbon one made by the elves in the secret workshop, because why not? Let's talk rubber, baby. Stock wheels might be a bit hefty, but they're like the loyal sidekick in this adventure, paired with kinda small block 8 tyres, perfect for when I want to feel like a rally driver in the Geordie backyard. Oh, we're not done yet. Sweet red bolts, seat post clamp, jockey wheels, and basically the Liberace of bike line. And let's not forget my trusty Garmin 130. So saddle up, folks, because with Dad by my side, there's no adventure too wild for this dramatic duo.